to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. It is going to be hashtag Rodiculous, and it is gonna be a vlog. I haven't vlogged in a really long time, so I'm super excited. And it is because today I am running around the house, setting it up for a launch party to celebrate the new Ro baking line. I am just so happy because some of these items have been in development for years. And I mean years, like 3 years. I put my heart and soul into them, and now they were out in the world for people to check out and enjoy. I made a video unboxing all of them for the first time. I'll put a link down below, so if you missed that, you can go check it out. Also, if you are new to the channel and would like to show some support, click subscribe and ding the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. The party is starting soon, and I still need to set up a few things, so let's go. Behind me I have the hedge wall, which Molly and I put together with Stephanie. We put a bunch of flowers in there. I love pink peonies and roses, so we just loaded them with a bunch of flowers. And we got balloons to say sweet summer, because it is a sweet summer, but it's also sweets like desserts. Since it's summer and it's hot out, I decided to have a dessert unicorn themed pool party because these are all the things that I love. We're also going to be having tacos. Don't ask me why, it didn't really fit any, I just love tacos. This may be the biggest party I've ever had. Let me show you around. Come with me, check out this obstacle course. It's so cool. It's over here. So it just got set up. Let's test it out before anyone gets here, just to make sure it works. You know, we gotta test it out. Coodie's gonna come too. Come on, Coodie. Help me test it out. Oh, she's not really a competitive girl, you know. She doesn't really want to race. It's not her thing. Ow! You have to wiggle through here. You have to go under here. Feel? And then under here. And then you have to climb this. It's like a rock climbing wall. You have to go up and over. And then you slide down this. Whee! There you go. Up here. Over here. Up. Out. Up here. Here. Not the best tactics. Not the best tactics. You gotta go. See, I'm learning now. I'm gonna have an advantage. You wanna go underneath, not over. Got it. Here we go. Underneath. Underneath. Through it. Whoa, whoa. Then we gotta go through these last spikes right here. Pew, pew. Get out the way. Out the way. Out the way. And through here. I made it to the end. Cookie, see, I'm okay. It's fine. Whew. That was so fun. Next, I got a bunch of pool floats, and I've got to bring them all to the pool. I inflated them in here. I may have gone a little over the top. I may have gone a little ridiculous, but I couldn't help myself. Look how cute these unicorns are. And this is the biggest rainbow floaty I have ever seen. I think it's like 11 feet. Look at it. We've got a ton of desserts, ice creams, popsicle, donut, and then unicorns and rainbows. This is a summer pool party. Well, let's start with the big one first. Let's just tackle our problems. That's how I like to tackle life. Tackle the big problems first. The little stuff, figure it out later. Beep, beep, rainbow coming through. Oh, we got to put them sideways a little bit. And here we Okay. Maybe I should have opened the wall first. We're stuck on a cloud. We're stuck on a cloud. This floaty is also so cool because look at this. They're drink holders. They can hold little cups. Cookie loves it. My dog Cookie actually loves pool floaties. She will sit on top of them and float around for hours. She even likes to lay upside down with her belly out. She just likes to bathe in the sun. She's quite a sun baby, so she is so excited. She has never seen this many pool floaties in her life. Here we go. Oh, yes! All right, let's go get the rest. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes! This unicorn is bigger than me. There you go! This is incredible. We got all the floaties in there. I'm gonna throw some balloons in there. We're gonna have a blast. And most of my friends have dogs, so there are a variety of doggy life vests because safety first. Some dogs don't know how to swim, but they can still enjoy. They can still float around if they want to. I have them in different sizes and different colors because you know me, I'm ridiculous. I'm making these cute little unicorn cupcakes, and this kit is from my baking line, and it's super easy. They're so cute. These are gonna be the little desserts. You just pipe a little swirl all the way around, place 2 little ears, some sprinkles, and last but not least, a unicorn horn, and they're also a candle. And there you have it. Easy peasy and adorable.
What's up, guys? It's Rosanna Pansino, and I'm here launching my new baking line. Okay, Laura's teaching me how to vlog because you guys know that I haven't vlogged in so long. I don't even know what I'm doing. All right, Alex, give me a tip for vlogging. Like, how does one vlog?
Extend the arm, it makes you look better. Yeah.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah, and then always have it tilted down a little bit like this.
Am I doing this right? Or
Yeah.
help me out.
Here, because look, if you don't want it, whatever you do, you don't want it to be like,
like
look
this.
forward. It does
Like
not
that?
look good. Yeah, that's
Because you can see up my nose.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go!
Here we go.
Go, go, go!
Oh my God!
Go! Go, go, go!
Go, Lauren, go!
Oh, that was like a half a second difference. Congratulations!
I did
You
it!
lay down. You just rest.
That was pretty intense.
The queens of YouTube. At it again.
Oh, nice job. Nice job, girl.
Thanks, Dad, for these awesome genetics, cat-like reflexes. But that was really fun.
We just made it through the obstacle course. It is very hot. JoJo,
It was really hot.
She won.
But I lost a bow. I skinned my knee. I cut my finger.
It's been a
I'm
day.
here. I'm alive.
Girl, it's been a day. Hello, ladies. I'm hanging out with the Real Twins, and I am so happy and excited for them. They launched a fashion line.
I'm actually wearing one of the tops right now.
Model. And I will be wearing some pieces very soon.
Thank you.
So stay tuned. Oh my gosh, they're
This is
cool.
so exciting. Your house is so cool right now. Then all them inflatables.
Oh yeah, we got lots of pool floaties over here. Let's check it out.
Bouncy house.
But to be real, it is hot. It's really hot. It's a wee bit hot today. A balloon just popped. That's how hot it is. Everybody, this is Darwin. If you don't know this beautiful, handsome face,
thank you so much.
he is a very talented musician and music producer. He's making new stuff all the time, so go check him out.
Super hard worker. I'm always inspired by Ro. I had to stress that she's one of the hardest working persons I know.
Artists supporting artists. Who would have thought? Dono, thank you for coming.
Thank you,
Look
Ro,
at
for
this
coming.
handsome fellow foodie over here.
Dude, I love the tacos.
Thank you, and Sophie and baby Noah.
He's gonna lose it. Can I just say I love that she's vlogging? She's vlogging, everybody. It's so amazing.
It's happening! So it is official. Now Gavin is no longer a slow-mo guy because he flew through this course faster than anyone I have ever seen. You are now officially Gavin.
I'm changing my channel name tonight.
Yeah.
Fast Mo Guy.
Fast mode, fast forward. This is called rebranding. I've learned about this. Congratulations, Gavin. You kicked butt. You took names.
Thank you.
You were super legit and super fast. Oh my gosh, you guys are doing this.
Patrick Star, first vlog, 5 years.
You know, Mike's kind of single a little bit. He's been on a few dates, but he hasn't actually lived in.
Oh, can I take out your look is amazing and I love your
I would be like some sheer vibes. I have been like
I'm about to change my mind right now. Welcome to my first vlog.
Everybody subscribe and follow her because she's got the cutest life. She has you
I love her.
and swans in her pool.
She is so talented and so
You are
amazing.
so-
And
I
she is
love you,
everything.
Ro.
And thank you for coming. I love you.
College shoes. I love your
I miss you.
single body. I love it.
See, she's got to come down here because I'm so little.
And my shoes are too tall.
I need a longer stick. Candy, if you have one piece of advice to vlog, what
Yes.
should I do?
Always talk like you're talking to your best friend.
Okay.
I haven't vlogged in a year, but that was my rule.
That's a really good, that's good advice. I'm going to do
Yes, you
that.
get weird like you're talking to someone else. Then it's not right.
It's not real.
Yeah, like just like we're talking to us and you.
Done.
You're with us.
Shut up. Oh my gosh, Cassey, thank you for coming. I'm so excited to see your face. Anybody, go subscribe to Cassey. She's amazing. Fitness guru.
Can we see these guns right here? Can I see?
Oh,
hey, look at this.
Literally, this girl is amazing. She has dedicated her whole life to inspiring and encouraging people to live a healthier lifestyle. It's all about body positivity, health, fitness at your own pace, and I love everything you do. I can't even. Oh, look who it is. It's Tasty. If you guys didn't know, this beautiful face was on Escape the Night Season 3. She was our guide, the actress who led us through all the creepy situations.
Ready, set, go!
She the best. She the best though.
I did it!
You gotta come back and show me again.
Okay, I'll show you.
I don't believe that you did that.
Let me dump.
Why is this working so well?
I'll show you how to do it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, jump. See?
She's all wet.
All we did was look at Instagram for 1 second and roast it.
We were just trying to be friends and it ruined her.
I was trying to do an Instagram picture and then I fell over. So you know what? I'm gonna do a pool party in my clothes. I was gonna jump in here eventually. So here we are, hanging out with Hannah Hart. The best. Hannah Hart is amazing. You guys, go follow her. Go show her some love. She is amazing.
Oh, that's so sweet.
So of course for my first vlog, I have to say hello to my girl Justine.
Is this your first vlog?
In like many, many, many years. And so
I'm so honored.
it's been a minute. So Justine, as someone who vlogs a lot, you know all about this. What's like something that, like what's a tip that I should know?
I was gonna say the angle. We've already got the angle. I think.
I do?
Yeah, this is a great angle.
Thank you. I put a little stick on it. Give me some height.
That's nice. I like that. I mean,
Thank
I think
you.
just have fun and be you, and you're fun already. So you've already got this down. You got the angle and you got yourself. You're good.
Look at that! Justine's here, we're hanging out, and she's brought a little dog and adorable. I can't even tell you, the dogs are like having their own catch-up like meetup party. Like they're all hanging out together, running around, and they're like catching up. They're like, oh hey, how have you been doing? Oh, I'm good. It's kind of adorable.
The best part is they've all been waiting like under the grill where they're making the taco stand and just waiting for like little pieces of meat to fall. It was like the best thing ever.
They love tacos. They're like, any treats for me? Okay, there's a lot riding on this because they competed in a strongman competition and Jordan has already won. So now we are gonna go in the inflatable obstacle course.
2 in a row.
On your mark! Get set! Go! Go, 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 go!
Cookie! I love you, Cookie!
You guys are so fast.
You were pulling up your back. Ready, set, go! Oh, it's so close! Oh!
Jordan, I could not get up that hill. I didn't
I saw
grab
you
it
tripped
right.
up a little bit on
I was
that.
like, no!
You made back a whole bunch of time afterwards, though.
We need to do more cardio. It's Laura and Bethany. I love these ladies. We were hanging out on the floaties in the pool, but have you done the obstacle course and did I miss it and who won?
We did do it.
We did it together.
I won.
Oh!
Also, if you are new to the channel and would like to show some support, click subscribe and ding the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video.